So your fiance wants to have a bachelor party or your boyfriend was invited to one and you find yourself having some difficult feelings, specifically around strip clubs. If you're asking yourself why, then stick around because the skill I'm going to go over is for you. Bachelor parties are synonymous with weddings, as is the tradition of going to a strip club. They all go hand in hand, and chances are at some point those of us in relationships will experience our partners attending a bachelor party. Complicated feelings around the topic are normal, fueled by culture and media, but something that is considered normal can quickly become toxic if you're not careful. Here's how to check if you really have a problem or you just think you have a problem. This is a handy skill called Check the Facts from DBT Skills. This is a useful skill for people who aren't sure if their feelings totally fit a situation. So for example, you feel suspicious of your boyfriend's bachelor party when there's never been a reason to be suspicious of him or his behavior. Does that fit the facts? Let's see, here are the steps to actually check the facts. Step 1, ask yourself, what is the emotion I want to change? Step 2, ask yourself, what is the event prompting my emotion? Step 3, ask yourself, what are my interpretations, thoughts, or assumptions about the event? So here you're going to want to think about other interpretations of the events. You're also going to want to practice looking at all sides of a situation and all points of view. And then you're going to want to test your interpretations and assumptions to see if they actually fit the facts. Step 4, ask yourself, am I assuming a threat? So go ahead and label that threat. You're going to want to assess the probability that the threat will actually occur. Think about as many possible outcomes here. Step 5, ask yourself, what's the catastrophe? So here, imagine the catastrophe really occurring, but you're also going to want to imagine coping well with the catastrophe in case it does happen. Step 6, ask yourself, does my emotion and its intensity fit the actual facts? So for jealousy, that would mean that a very important relationship in your life is in danger of being lost or damaged, or that someone is threatening to take a valued relationship away from you. If after checking the facts, your emotion fits the situation, then it probably means that you need to have a conversation with your partner about this. Set firm boundaries and expectations on what behavior is okay and what's not. If you find that after checking the facts, your emotions don't fit the situation, then you'll need to open up and make room for the uncomfortable feelings. More on that in the blog. Checking the facts is helpful for when you don't know if your emotion actually fits with what's going on. It's a helpful skill because it gets you to stop and look at your feelings and thoughts rather than acting on emotion alone. So try this next time you're not sure if your feelings fit the facts. Remember, a bachelor party doesn't automatically mean a threat. So ask yourself, why do I feel this way? You might uncover something that's worth looking at. To learn more about how to manage difficult feelings around bachelor parties, check out my latest blog.